Hey everyone, how you all doing? Looking at Bitcoin's price right now, you'd never guess that the crypto market was battered just last night, with most altcoins dipping to or even below the recent crash levels. But if you check Bitcoin's price, sitting near $110,000, it almost feels like nothing happened yesterday. Why the crash after good news? Here's the thing that matters. The part we need to understand is not about just the Bitcoin price or the altcoin market. It's about two massive news stories that broke over the last 2 days. The Fed cut interest rates by 25 basis points. This should have been a significant bullish signal for the U.S. market, the global market, and the crypto space. And the meeting between President Trump and China's President Xi was successful. They found common ground, with talk of reducing tariffs instead of increasing them. Despite both of these major positive developments, the market crashed. This has confused everyone. We need to figure out why this crash occurred. Is there still hope? October has been brutal. Many of you might be ready to throw in the towel. The month started with a bang. Bitcoin hit an all-time high, and altcoins were recovering. But mid-month, it wiped out portfolios, liquidating many in futures trading. The recent crash following the positive news was a shock. Everyone was anticipating a good market move. However, the recovery Bitcoin has shown in the last 5 to 6 hours, bouncing from $106,000 to $110,000, suggests there's significant buying the dip happening. Otherwise, a breakdown like that should have taken us straight to $100,000. Key levels and the monthly close. Bitcoin is now testing a crucial resistance level, which also acts as a key support. The 200-day moving average, 200 DMA. Today is the last day of the month. The monthly candle close is incredibly important. The 200-day MA is around $109,400 to $109,500. If we close above this level, it's a massive relief and a bullish signal. Historically, when Bitcoin tests this level during a bull run and then closes above, it often sets up for a new peak. If the monthly candle closes below this level, a technical pressure remains, and we could see a test of $100,000. Understanding the manipulation. I know your heart is broken, and so is ours. We share the same hope for this market. This is supposed to be quarter 4, historically the most bullish quarter of the year. Historically, October has only closed negative twice. The frustration is high. It feels like a trap, but the manipulators know exactly what you're thinking. We have seen these desperate phases before. When hope is at its lowest, the entire game can change overnight. Why the recent crash? Why did the market crash from $116,000 to $110,000 after such strong news? The main reason is the selling pressure from Bitcoin ETFs. Over the past 2 days, we've seen 4,000 to 5,000 Bitcoin sold, including significant selling from BlackRock. This created a negative sentiment, like if